What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. I hope you're having a blessed, great, growing, prosperous day. I know that I am. I was thankful just to wake up this morning. I told the Lord, thank you for waking me up this morning and starting me on my way. Thank you for letting me see the dawn of a new day. I just want to say thank you, God, for being here on this beautiful day, you guys. I'm out here in the Skinny Boy greenhouse, and this video is not going to be long. I'm going to show you how to germinate seeds with 4 items. Yes, all you need is 4 things, you guys. For those who live in an apartment or in a small space where you can't put things in the soil all the time and vice versa, you know, whatever your situation may be, all you need is 4 things, you guys. And those 4 things are some seeds, maybe 1 or 2 packs, paper towel or napkin, or if you don't have either one, toilet paper. Use toilet paper. Okay? And water. That's all you need, you guys, and a place to work. Oh, that was 3 things. Your seeds, your paper towels, your water, and Ziploc bags. If you don't have Ziploc bags, you guys use 2 store-bought bags. That way it's kind of, you know, some store-bought bags have holes in them. So if you don't have any Ziploc bags, get you 2 store-bought bags. It's going to do the same thing. Okay? I love you guys. You're the best. And you know, I am doing my growing succession this year. I'm going to grow in succession, which means planting things a week or 2 weeks apart, maybe 3 weeks apart from each other, so you have a continuous harvest in your garden. So if you plant corn, cucumbers in the ground, say March 1st, then you'll plant them again, say on the 21st. That way, when that first plant comes up, you'll have another one coming right on behind it, and it just keeps going and going and going. So let's just get into this seed germination video the old way. Well, some people say the old way, but we'll see. So let me adjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing, you guys. And I hope you're having a great growing day. And it's very, very simple. Like I said, this is gardening 101. I'm not a professional. I'm a beginner. So you just take your paper towel. I'm going to do 2 since these are the skinny ones. Like that, right? Just lay it down. Wet it. Wet it with some water. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm just wetting it. Half of it. I'm going to leave the outer half dry for now. Just a little bit of water, y'all. And I'm going to do cucumber. Market More cucumber from the Valley Green Seeds. I got these from Amazon. And I'm going to do squash. Early prolific straight neck squash. And the reason I'm doing these 2 on the video, you guys, because I know that these germinate fairly quickly. And I want you guys to see the update fairly soon. So let's start with our cucumbers. Now, we're going to make sure this is good and soaked. Soaking wet. Then you just take your cucumber seeds. And again, you guys, I'm only doing, let's do 3, 6, 7, 8, let's do 10. Let's do 10 seeds. That way we'll, you know, if some make it, some don't. Some will, some won't. Did I just bust a rhyme? Some make it, some don't. Some will, some won't. Hey! Oh, sorry, y'all. Sorry. Y'all know how I do. I get sidetracked. Now, I'm just laying the seeds in here. Hope you can see that. I'm just laying the seeds in here, and here comes the good old faithful plane, you guys. You know I'm not too far from the airport. Here in Zone 7, Richmond, VA. So, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 seeds, okay? I put 11 seeds in here, you guys, and these are our cucumber. So now I'm just going to take the other piece of the paper towel and cover it and soak it. You know, really good and wet, because this is going to hold the moisture for the seeds. And this is what it looks like. The seeds are in there. Can you see them? So just gently roll your paper towel. You can see the seeds. See? Toilet paper will do the same thing, y'all. Don't trip. Use what you got. And you don't want it super, super soaked. So I'm kind of squeezing out some of the excess moisture. And then, with your 4th item, your Ziploc bag, just take it, plop it in there, Get the air out. And seal up your Ziploc bag. Put this in a nice cool place, partial sun. And we're going to do the same thing for the squash. That one came apart, but that's okay. Going to do the same thing. Wet the paper towel. You guys, I love working in the greenhouse. You know, this is my first greenhouse, you guys. And I am loving it. If you're considering getting one, please do it, you know. They're not that expensive. And if you save up, that's what I did. When you want something, you know, you can save up for it. There's not that many of these in here, so we're going to go ahead and try to germinate all of these squash. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 of our squash. Okay. And then again, I'm going to cover the paper towel. And since we don't have as many, I won't need that other paper towel, I don't think. Yep. See the seeds in there? Squeeze out some of the excess moisture. Okay. Get our other Ziploc bag. And you guys, these Applebee's containers, save them. I've just discovered I'm going to save every last one I get my hand on. So now, there you go. It's in the Ziploc bag. Squeeze the air out. And we're going to put these in like a window sill where I keep the blinds kind of partially cracked, so they're not overheated and they're not freezing cold. So there you have it, you guys. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Germinating seeds with 4 items. Seed, water, paper towel, and a Ziploc bag. Okay? So remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Post up and eat it. I love you guys. You're the best.